Here's a fast and easy guide on how to create shortcuts in Windows 11. When you right-click on an item, you don't see the option to create a shortcut. You have to go to Show More Options for that. There you can select Create Shortcut. And a shortcut has been created. The same goes for folders. Now hold the Shift key and right-click on an item to access the More Options menu directly. And then you can select Create Shortcut a little bit quicker. Hold the Shift key and right-click on an item again. And go to Sent to. Select Desktop, Create Shortcut to place the shortcut of this item on the desktop directly. For more interesting how-to videos, you can watch the other videos of this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.